The rights of workers in the tea industry are essential component of ensuring fair and dignified labor practices. These rights cater a broad spectrum encompassing fundamental human rights such as the right to decent work, freedom of association, equal opportunity, and protection against discrimination, maternity benefit, access to health benefit, leave entitlement, and privacy protection. In this context, the section in Trustee Standard version 3, workers' rights are addressed comprehensively under livelihood pillar. This outlines various rights and protections guaranteed to workers, emphasizing compliance with relevant laws such as the Plantation Labour Act, Factories Act, and similar. Key focuses include preventing bonded labor and child labor, ensuring fair employment conditions, providing maternity entitlement for female workers, offering retirement benefits, toilet and housing facility, and implementing strict measures to prevent harassment, including compliance with Prevention of Sexual Harassment, that is POSH Act. In short, compliance with this section is imperative for tea industry's entities striving to achieve trustee certification, reflecting a commitment to upholding workers' rights and fostering a respectful and ethical workplace environment.
What are the common non-compliance found in the section of workers' rights?
Non-compliance issues often raise concerns in the areas like maternity benefit for temporary female workers who may unjustly lose their job just before qualifying for these benefits. Next is failure to provident fund for the temporary workers. Also, payment to overtime as per the Factories Act and hour allotted to workers is also a critical area. Another significant concern is the absence of internal committee, that is IC, for POSH as mandated by legal requirements, which includes appropriate composition and annual reporting to the regulatory authorities. Furthermore, the inadequacy of creche facility in many gardens is another prevalent non-compliance issue. Addressing these issues is crucial for ensuring the protection and welfare of workers in the tea industry.
How the POSH related awareness can be addressed in a big facility?
Raising awareness about POSH in a large tea manufacturing facility involves implementing comprehensive strategies to educate employees, conducting regular training programs to cover all relevant workers and managerial staffs, ensure that the company has well-defined policies and procedures in place to address sexual harassment complaints effectively. Also encourage employees to report any incident of sexual harassment promptly and without fear of retaliation. Provide multiple reporting channels including anonymous options. Involving top management and demonstrate a strong commitment by actively promoting awareness initiatives. By implementing these strategies, a large tea manufacturing facility can effectively raise awareness about POSH and create a safe and more respectful workplace for all employees.
How is the maternity benefit compliance in tea gardens?
Providing maternity benefit in tea garden is always a concern when it comes to the temporary female workers. In some places, it is not considered under management policy. Again, in some cases, the female worker is dismissed from her work just before the qualifying period of her maternity. However, this is a statutory requirement and denial to the right is an offence against the law of the land. Hence, in trustee standard, this is a zero tolerance requirement.
You also talked about creche issues. So what kind of issues are there in creche facilities that the industry faces?
Primary non-compliance issues stem from the entity's failure to adhere to the state regulations, insufficient infrastructure, attendance with low literacy level, overseeing the children, inadequate provisions of food, exacerbates concerns about malnutrition among the children. These shortcomings highlights the urgent need of corrective action for ensuring compliance with state regulation and to safeguard the well-being of the children.